In this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Overview, we look at potato prices and discuss why prices can trend downward after the Easter weekend. We also take a look at where this price can go as we head into the winter, while Orange and Avo prices stay under pressure. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT-Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Outlook, all made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Avo Toyota and Zimmatic irrigation systems. To make sure you get the latest information first, subscribe to AMT's YouTube channel or one of its WhatsApp groups where we usually share some extra information as well. The links are also available on AMT's Facebook page. Quickly looking at the latest economic indicators, our local interest rates were adjusted upwards by 50 basis points last week, and as a result the rand strengthened to R17.79 per US dollar over the past week. The Brent crude oil price also increased on the back of lower production and traded around $80 per barrel over the weekend. The potato price stayed on a higher level and increased again over the past week despite significantly higher volumes reported on the markets. The latest price traded on R53.76 per 10 kg bag. The average Class 1 price traded on R57.74, while the average mondial price increased to R52.15. I feel that higher volumes and lower demand after the Easter weekend can put pressure on all potato variety prices. We are also expecting prices to stay on a lower level as we head into the winter, with higher volumes usually expected over this period of the year. But with that said, prices can stay on a slightly higher level compared to last year, with production constraints still impacting volumes to the markets when comparing it to the previous few years. We have also seen tomato prices recovering after the recent decline, which can be ascribed to higher demand before the Easter weekend. The latest price traded on R11.45 per kilogram, with the Class 1 tomato price increasing to R13.12. There might also be some pressure on the price after Easter due to lower expected demand. Although carrot prices traded higher on R7.93 per kilogram last week, we're expecting a significant decline in prices from next week onwards due to higher expected volumes again coming to the markets and demand that can remain on a lower level. Onion prices continued on its upward trend, increasing by 5% only over the past week to R95.18 per 10 kg bag. Brown onions traded on R95, white onions on R96, while red onion prices increased to R130 per 10 kg bag. We're expecting onion prices to stay on a higher level until early June, when we usually see higher volumes coming into the markets then, which can put downward pressure on the prices. Pepper prices showed a strong increase, trading on R15.34 last week. We are however moving into a lower price period in April, May and June. In July, however, prices can get support again when volumes are expected to decrease. Green peppers traded on R12.37, red peppers on R21.54, while yellow peppers increased to R28.10. Other vegetable prices traded as follows: cabbages on R3.26, garlic on R49.21, spinach prices on R4.71, pumpkin prices on R2.58, while sweet potato prices stayed on R5.18 last week. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Avo Toyota and Zimmatic irrigation systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and faster payments, which is also now available on their app. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag. For a journey of a lifetime, let Avo Toyota Ottery help you find your first prize. For more information, contact their dealer principal Andrew Wiem directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price and service nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. In the fruit market, banana prices decreased slightly to R9.30 the past week, with the average Class 1 price on R10.81. The latest apple price traded on R8.11 while pear prices decreased to R6.83. Orange prices decreased sharply again to R4.38 with a 41% increase in volumes over the past week. Volumes on the local markets are about 40% higher compared to last year, with the price about 3% lower at the moment. Avo prices are already about 14% lower than a year ago, with volumes to the market 60% higher. The latest price traded on R10.54 per kilogram last week and is expected to stay low over the next few months due to high expected volumes. Table grape prices increased to R19.42 with pineapple prices on R11.64, which is about 56% higher compared to a year ago. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last. From industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology, every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. This broadcast was made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halve Toyota and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and thank you for watching.